this is a part 2. Check ko na class ang inyong papel. Mark, Eka, Angel, Eka, Riami, Eka, very good. Very good. So, group 1 is very good. Office 1, the 6 and Wendy. Ay, yung isa pala hindi si Angel. Ashley po yun. Okay? Ito na. Wendy. Okay, this is one is color air. What is this is color? Wendy. Me po, ma'am. That is a color red. This is a color red. Is F this color. Very good, Wendy. F1. What is this a color? Creamy. Me po. Yes, this is a color white. Is white is this. This is a color white. Very good. Okay, class. What is a color, dear? Mark. Mom, this is a color white. Okay, Mom, it's a color white. It said white. Okay, very good. This is... Okay, next is bad. Okay, class dismissed. Balik lang kayo tomorrow.